The new contact list-compatible LTS Video Intercom door station features a user-friendly 4-inch touchscreen with a large call button, providing intuitive navigation, easy visitor access, and efficient communication. Easily call businesses or apartments through a directory of up to 500 contacts from the Intercom door station with its contact list. Users can conveniently search for the desired contact using the search bar or by scrolling. Multiple unlocking methods are supported by the Intercom door station, including face recognition, card scanning, key fob access, code entry, NVMS v3 PC software, and the LTS Connect mobile app. The Intercom door station is designed to elevate convenience and security wherever they're installed, such as in residential buildings, office structures, and schools. The Intercom door station must be paired up with a supported IP video indoor station. Once installed, users can use the indoor station or the LTS Connect mobile app for answering and granting access requests. To learn more, contact your local LTS sales representative or visit ltsecurityinc.com. Thank you for watching.